This is your acrylic painting supply list, and it's everything you'll need to get started. Welcome to Free Arts Academy. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more. Acrylic paint is the first essential material that we will need for this practice. Paints are sold in various packaging and in seemingly endless colors. Finishes can vary between shiny high gloss, metallic, or matte. Read the labels and be sure that you're buying an acrylic paint that you actually want. Oil paint and watercolor can also be sold in similarly looking tubes, and the difference between them matters. Palettes are what we use to mix our paint colors. They come in various shapes and are usually made of wood or plastic. At Free Arts Academy, we prefer plastic palettes. We find that they're inexpensive, easy to clean, and reusable. A cup or jar is perfect to hold water that will clean your paintbrushes. Be sure to choose something that's sturdy and won't tip over easily. In order to ensure the cleanliness of your brushes, keep paper or cloth towels handy. An easel is helpful in propping up your canvas while you work. Sometimes easels have a shelf or a small drawer to store tools in. Paintbrushes exist in many shapes and sizes. They're essential for this practice in most cases. However, it is possible to paint without brushes by using palette knives or by utilizing pour painting techniques. As painters, we need a surface to create images on. Canvas is a popular and economic choice. Standard canvas is treated with gesso, which is like a very thick white paint. It's then either stretched over a wooden frame and stapled, or adhered directly to a panel. An apron will help keep your clothing free from paint. And a drop cloth can easily be used on the floor if you're indoors and trying to keep things tidy. Thanks for watching. Use the link below to get your own printable acrylic painting supply list and paintbrush guide for beginners. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this.